Larry Ellison overtakes Elon Musk. 4 wealth secrets from Oracle's co-founder. In a single day, Larry Ellison woke up as the 3rd richest man in the world. By 6 p.m. that same day, he had surpassed Elon Musk and become the new king of billionaires. What happened in those 9 hours that rewrote the history of global wealth forever? This story isn't about luck. It's about a man who, for 47 years, silently built the invisible nervous system of the digital world. While the world's eyes were glued to electric cars and rockets, he controlled something even more powerful, something that's everywhere, but nobody sees. Prepare yourself. This is the first part of a story that reveals the darkest secrets of extreme wealth creation. Today you'll discover how a programmer transformed lines of code into $393 billion. But this is just the beginning. While you slept, something extraordinary happened behind the scenes of the global financial market. Oracle plus 40% in a single trading session. $101 billion materialized out of nowhere. Larry Ellison, $393 billion in net worth. Elon Musk, surpassed by $10 billion. But here's what the media didn't tell you. This wasn't luck. This was the culmination of a strategy that began almost 5 decades ago. Imagine the digital world as a gigantic spider web. Every website, every app, every online transaction, everything needs one thing, a database. It's where information lives. And Larry Ellison didn't just create a database. He created the brain that controls this web. And now, with the explosion of artificial intelligence, this brain has become indispensable. The secret contract. The real bombshell came in the fine print, a $300 billion contract with OpenAI. But this isn't just money, it's total dependence. You know that ChatGPT you use, Instagram, Google, they all run on infrastructure that Larry Ellison controls. It's as if he owns the roads where all the world's data must travel. But how is a mind capable of predicting the future with such precision? How does someone think decades ahead while the rest of the world is still stuck in the present? The answer lies in the 4 secrets you're about to discover. The 4 secrets of the invisible empire. Secret number 1. The mental time machine. Larry Ellison has something that very few billionaires possess. Imagine being able to travel to 2035, see the dominant technologies, and return to 2024 to invest in them before everyone else. In 1977, when computers filled entire rooms, he already saw data as the new oil. In 2010, when cloud was just weather forecasting, he began building Oracle Cloud. In 2018, before the AI boom, he was already positioned. This has a name: early investment in emerging sectors. The mathematics of vision. Mature sector grows 5 to 10% per year. Emerging sector has 500 to 1,000% potential in 5 years. Ellison plays where multipliers are exponential, not linear. How to build your own mental time machine. Identify problems that will explode in the next 10 years. Invest time and money in solutions today. Have patience. Exponential wealth takes time. Ignore the noise of opportunities everyone already sees. But predicting the future without controlling your destiny is like having the map and not driving the car. And this is where an even more powerful secret comes in. Secret number 2. The financial puppet master. While most people are busy playing inside the system, Ellison is the system. Imagine a chess game. Most are pawns. Some become rooks, knights. But Larry Ellison? He doesn't play on the board. He controls the board. He owns 40% of Oracle. He's not just a shareholder. He's the architect of the machine that feeds the digital world. The mathematics of control. Top employee earns $1 million per year. 30 years equals $30 million. Owner with 40% equity. Company grows 10x. Net worth grows 10x. Oracle from 2000 to 2024 grew 50x. $1 million becomes $50 million automatically. But Ellison did more than get rich. He created global dependence. Microsoft needs Oracle for Azure. Amazon uses Oracle in critical parts of AWS. Google runs on Oracle infrastructure. He didn't just create a company, he created the oxygen of the digital world. The more the world grows, the richer he gets, automatically. But power without skill is useless, and the next secret shows why. Secret number 3, the technical gladiator. Larry Ellison isn't a common businessman, he's a technical gladiator. In ancient Rome, gladiators won with absolute mastery of the sword. Ellison treats technology as his weapon. Since 1977, his philosophy is clear. If you don't master your product, someone who does will destroy you. At 80 years old, he still reviews code personally, tests products before launch, and understands every technical detail of Oracle. While other CEOs outsource, Ellison lives technology. The result: superior technical competence leads to superior products, superior margins, superior wealth. Oracle has a 35% profit margin. Industry average is 15%. In other words, for every $100 in revenue, Oracle profits $35. Competitors? Just $15. This difference, multiplied over decades, transforms into billions. But mastering technology and controlling companies still isn't everything. The last secret is the most lethal. Secret number 4. The architect of dependencies. What makes Larry Ellison truly dangerous isn't what you see. It's what you don't see. Imagine a giant octopus at the bottom of the ocean. On the surface, just calm waves. Down below, invisible tentacles control everything. Ellison's partnerships aren't contracts. They're tentacles of strategic dependence. Look at the network. OpenAI has $300 billion in infrastructure. Microsoft has critical Azure backend. Tesla, yes, even Musk depends on Oracle. Stargate Initiative has $500 billion in AI. Ellison doesn't compete. He becomes vital for others' survival. When his partnerships grow, he grows automatically. When they break, he survives because he owns the infrastructure. This is 4D chess while everyone else plays checkers. The invisible master. Now you understand how an 80-year-old man added $101 billion in 9 hours. Mental Time Machine predicted the AI explosion. Board control gave him 40% of global digital infrastructure. Gladiatorial mastery provided relentless technical competence. Invisible tentacles created silent global dependence. Now I want to know, which of the 4 secrets impressed you the most? Comment below with one word. Time, if it was the time machine. Control, if it was the puppet master. Gladiator, if it was technical mastery. Tentacles, if it was the invisible levers. And of course, subscribe now, hit the notification bell, like this video, and prepare yourself for a journey through the darkest and most profitable secrets of extreme wealth.